Hey guys, this video is for part 2 of page 39 on calculations with chemical reactions, and in this one we're going to look at mole to mass calculations. And these are calculations in which we compare the number of moles of a reactant or product to the mass of a product or a reactant. The key conversion factors that we need here will be the molar mass of the product or reactant, whichever one we are either getting or need mass of, and the mole to mole ratio, just like we used in mole-to-mole calculations. So let's look at our example here on the left. We're actually going to do two. And they use the same chemical equation. 2NaClO3 produces 2NaCl plus 3O2. So first we want to know, given 12 moles of NaClO3, how many grams of O2 can we produce? Now this is very similar to the problem that we did above with mole-to-mole calculations. And in fact it's going to start the same. We need to convert moles of NaClO3, this is our given, into moles of O2. But what the problem is actually asking is grams of O2. So after we do this step where we relate moles of NaClO3 to moles of O2, we're going to have to convert moles of O2 into grams of O2, and this is the molar mass. So remember, on the right, we said we would need two conversion factors, the molar mass of either the product or the reactant, whichever one we need to know the mass of, and the mole-to-mole ratio. So on the left, here's our mole-to-mole ratio, and here's the molar mass of the one that we need to know the mass of. Multiply, divide, we get 576 grams of O2. Our second example has us given 1.79 moles of O2, and this time we need to figure out a mass of NaClO3. So 1.79 moles of O2, you'll notice that our mole-to-mole ratio is kind of switched here because this time we need moles of O2 on the bottom to moles of NaClO3, and then the molar mass of NaClO3 this time, multiply and divide, and we get 127 grams of NaClO3, and that's an example of two different mole mass calculations.